I wanna wake up like this. Yeah. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Now today's wig is brought to you by moi. This wig was purchased over a year ago and we rocking her again. I want to show you guys how I'm able to get ready in 5 minutes when I'm in a rush or when I want to beat my husband out the door. But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Hold up. I didn't put my essence on my face. If y'all want a skincare routine, let your girl know. I've been trying some new products, so I didn't want to, put it out too early, but let me know and I will drop that for you. Put that back. I need to get some more skin oil. I'm not gonna be wearing a lot of makeup today, so I don't want my skin to be ashy. A little Vaseline, so I ain't looking like a crackhead. So when you are on your way out the door, but you want to look good and get ready faster than your husband so you can rush him along, this is what you're going to do. Grab you a synthetic wig, preferably one that is already curled and styled, out the pack that you can just kind of pop on and go. I am rocking Outre Julianna today. I have worn this wig a couple times now, so my hairline and everything is already together. This is literally a pop on and go out the box. Now, if this is your first time wearing her, you're going to need about a little less than 5 minutes to get her hairline together. Let me go ahead and brush her out real quick. She does tangle after a couple wears, and the tangles will cause shedding, but guess what? I don't care, because once I put her on, you'll see. Y'all gonna see how this lace melts down. Get my band around. Where's the part that I want? It's right here. Y'all see how that hairline is looking? I'm gonna spray mine down because I want mine to sit. Bring the hairs down like this. Take my melt spray right across the front. I ain't worried about the sides. Make sure it's where I want my forehead to be. And I'm not gonna tint nothing because it's already tinted. This is your sign to keep wearing your wigs. Brush that out. All right, look at that, y'all. The hair is already done. What I tell you? I even got time to show y'all my little quick makeup when I'm in a rush. All right, Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in the color dark brown. Use my glasses to shape the eyebrows. My glasses are cat eye, so I like using that to draw out or outline the shape of my brows. Gives me the natural lift without trying too hard. Then I'm gonna take my concealer. This is a no foundation look. Under the eye, not too much. Uh-oh, I got a piece of hair somewhere. A little bit on the cupid's bow and a little bit on the chin. I'm using my triangle puff. This is what you need to blend out your makeup. This is like a brush and a beauty blender in one. And I get them in a pack of 6 from Amazon. They are very inexpensive compared to a $30 beauty blender. Save the money where you can, okay? I gotta be ready as soon as my kids get out the house, so I'm on a time crunch. Ooh, less than 30 minutes. 30. Okay, bring in the excess up in the middle. Don't really need it, but just a little. Put a little bit of my translucent powder under the eye, over the brows, just to set that. Any excess. Pretty much everywhere that I use the concealer. A light dusting. Again, this is an out the door look. You don't want to look too put together. And then I'm gonna top that with my Black Radiance powder, the Soft Focus finishing powder. This is in the color Creamy Bronze, right over top of that. I want to look snatched without looking highlighted. I want to wake up like this. Yeah. I'm using my bronzer. I'm using the bottom one. Bring some color in a little bit. Try to get on my chin, carve that back out. I'm using that same creamy bronze powder on my eye. Just, just to wake me up. Now I've been using this L'Oreal Infallible setting mist, 3-second setting mist. The only thing I don't like about this one is the smell compared to my Morphe setting mist. I can open my eyes and my mouth with this one. This one, don't breathe, okay? Whew. Put on my mascara real quick. After this, you're done. You can put on your lip gloss, put on your clothes and go. I wanna show y'all how I lift my eyes just a smidge with my lashes. Now I'm gonna use these lashes that I got from Kiss. These are the Kiss New Natural Lashes, and they're like the half lash. This is the style Freckles, so that's how those look. Open the front door.
Are you coming?
I'll think about it. Just gonna sit it right. Bring that up. It basically sits in the middle of your eye to the outside. Put on the lip gloss. If I wanna do a little highlight, I can. Brush out the hair. One thing I love about Julianna, you don't have to like manipulate the curls. They're pretty much like this. Just brush them out and they're pretty much ready to go. Okay, and that is a 5-minute look. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. We are out the door. Again, Outre Julianna. This is the original, not the 24-inch. The 24-inch, I tried it once. I haven't worn her again just because she's a little bit too long and I ain't want to cut her. What's the point in cutting her if you have the shorter version? So y'all see how that lace is melted on me? It may look a little dark, but it looks good outside. So, shh. Now let me show y'all what I wore. Okay, now y'all already see this little dress right here, but this is just a dress I put on real quick, but I wore it right here already. That's how that's looking. Y'all see that? This is cute, Amazon as well. And then the look that I actually wore right here. Yeah, I just layered some pieces, okay, a dress over some jeans, perfect. Okay, everything will be linked down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. But if you have not gotten Outre Julianna, this is your sign to do that. If you have not worn her all year, this is also your sign. Okay, bundle up. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for all my units and looks down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.